this is Jeff with SERHANT South Shore, and my top 3 favorite places to go in the Great South Bay have to be Local Burger with the kids. They love the cheeseburgers there with extra pickles and their special sauce. With my wife, I love to go for sushi at Aji, and for a special date night with my wife, I love Bar Clementine, which is a new bar in East Islip. And if we're celebrating a birthday or a special occasion like a promotion, we'll go to Tellers and we'll splurge on the ribeye for 2.
SERHANT South Shore. My top 3 favorite places to eat are Tellers for their filet with Delmonico sauce. My second favorite place to be is Harp and Hound. Nachos, bomb, 100% recommend. And my third favorite place is Bayside Clam Bar because the strawberry margaritas are the best.
What's going on, guys? This is Jonathan with SERHANT, and these are my top 3 places to get some food or a drink on Long Island South Shore. First spot is going to be in Patchogue, which is Tiesto's. I used to bartend there, so I know the whole menu, but the best dish appetizer would be the nachos. Place number 2 would be Tellers. Best burgers on the South Shore in East Islip. I would definitely recommend. And finally, I'm gonna go with Picado for Mexican food. But the one thing that I love the most about that place is their old-fashioned mezcal. I would definitely check all 3 of them out. Highly recommend. Here with Aiden, and he's about to tell me what his top 3 places are to eat.
Applebee's.
Nice.
Friendly's.
Nice.
And the last place is Wendy's.
Wendy's. Nice.
From Applebee's, chicken and fries. From Wendy's, chicken and fries. And from Friendly's, the same thing.
Same thing?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Chicken and fries from all 3 places. Go get it.
What's up, guys? John Walsh with SERHANT. Some of my favorite things to do on the South Shore during the summer with the family, definitely going down to Bayside Clam Bar. They have great margaritas, but it's also awesome because they have like Connect 4 and cornhole for the kids. So the adults can hang out and have fun, but the kids aren't bored either. I also love going to the Bayard Cutting Arboretum. It's a big, huge river. It overlooks the Connecticut State River, beautifully taken care of. There's also a big mansion there that you could tour, so that's amazing. Third and final thing I love about the South Shore during the spring and summertime is the amount of parks that we have. Right across the street from the office, we actually have Brookwood Hall Park. There's a huge lake there. You could feed the swans and the ducks. Then you have Timber Point, JFK, all these schools, and actually Heckscher State Park is right down the block as well. And there's about 15 playgrounds there and, beaches galore. So if you're looking for a lot of stuff to do, a place with a ton of stuff to do, whether it's for you, by yourself, going for a run, or a family, anything, South Shore is where to be.